GBATAHA. Please search for it. ahũmbarò, the playing tools. ahũmbarò, playing tools. Mutengo bero kuchidekede. Please point your finger to a tortoise. Dekede dure. This is a tortoise. Munabi bange piagude unwai. How many dolls do you find? So we 1, 2. Maybe piagude uwe. I found 2 dolls. Ginirangi duchi gaza. What color does a drum have? Zambarangi, red color. Pushirangi, white color. Penguarangi, that is a green color. Nzaranzara penguarangi, that is a yellow color. Wari do a peningbo na kunjini. Where are the xylophone and the guitar? A peningbo dure na kunji dure. Here is xylophone, or here are xylophones, and here is a guitar. Anu wilikinga limo jahaneche belewe ni vovoho. Let us learn the names of these things again from beginning. Kunji, that is a guitar. A peningbo, that is a xylophone. Gaza, it's a drum. Rengi, a color. Piagude, dolls. Dekede, tortoise. ahũmbarò, playing tools. Gini kurahe bimongo hohane kani wilikili mohorogo Pazande. What are other things you find here? We can learn their names in Pazande. Maybe nyege. I found a bee. Kuranyege dure. Another bee is here.